Hi friends, this is Anshuman Das and welcome to my channel, and this is my current affair class of 13th May 2021. So first, let's start with a good quote, that is, only surrounded yourself with the people who will lift you higher. So this is a very wonderful thing, that you must surround yourself with the people who lift you, who embrace your whatever you are doing, so who motivate you to even do the better and better and better, not who demotivate you to do something things. Okay, with this thought, next start our class. First question is, which country has succeeded in making a single dose vaccine of corona? Is that Russia? It has made Sputnik. Earlier they had made Sputnik 5, which you had to take it for 2 doses were necessary, but now you can only take one vaccine of Sputnik, which they have developed. Okay, the new vaccine version of the vaccine is now Sputnik Light. So the full name is Sputnik Light. According to the company, the success percentage of Sputnik Light is 80%. So that's a very nice thing. Next, okay, we'll talk about Russia. The capital is Moscow. The currency is Russian ruble. The president is Vladimir Putin, and launched 38 satellites for 18 countries. Deployed giant underwater space telescope in Lake Baikal. Okay. Next question, which country has announced the establishment of the dividing line on Mount Everest to protect against corona? It's a China. Establishment of dividing line on Mount Everest to protect against corona. It's a China. According to the Chinese media, to be prevented from spreading through Nepal, infected climbers. Oh my God. Okay. Actually, on Everest, Beijing has planned to make a border line on its side because China wants that its area cannot be transitioned. Okay, at the end of 2019, the deadly coronavirus started from Wuhan, China, and within 3 months it took the form of an epidemic. Okay, so if you take up this is the Mount Everest, and this is the Nepal side, and this is the Chinese side. And if we talk about the China and Nepal had jointly again took the height of the Mount Everest, and the new height that came is 8848.68 meters. Okay, sorry, 8848.86 meters, new height of the Mount Everest. Okay, Nepal. So with Nepal, India does one exercise that is called Sagarmatha. Recently, Rami Rita Sharpa has was set the world record by climbing Mount Everest 27 times. Can you listen? Mount Everest 27 times. Here it is written wrong. The reality is 27 times. Okay, Tenzing Norgay and Edmund Hillary in 1953, second highest peak in the world, and that is Mount K2, that is Godwin Austen. Then Dhaula Dam is built in which river? So Dhaula Dam is now being built in Arghandab river. It's a Taliban militant have the second largest dam, Dhaula Dam. Okay. Next is, the dam was constructed by the United States in 1952. Afghanistan, the capital is Kabul. The currency is Afghani. President is Ashraf Ghani. Recently, the Prime Minister of which country lost the confidence vote in House of Representatives? It's Nepal. Prem is KP Sharma Oli. He got 93 votes while 139 votes were needed to save government. Okay, a special session of the House were called for vote of confidence. The session will called on the instructions of President Vidya Devi Bhandari. The president is Vidya Devi Bhandari. Okay, next is, you can see the location of the Nepal, Bhutan, China, Pakistan, India, and Myanmar, Bangladesh. Okay, recently which organization released the 2021 renewable energy market update? It's the International Atomic Energy Agency. The energy has raised its forest of solar power and wind power by 25%. This report states that 280 gigawatt of renewable energy will installed in 2020 2020. This is the 45% of increase over 2019. The 48% growth in 2020 is the highest in the last 3 decades. Wind energy increased by 90% and solar power by 50%. Okay, this report stated that there will be a 45% increase in the renewable energy in China. It will increase from 150 gigawatt to 230 gigawatt. Renewable energy forecast in the United States have increased by 20%. The amount of solar energy in India has increased. Very nice. Next question: who has developed Atman artificial intelligence technique to detect the presence of COVID-19 disease in X-ray? So it's artificial intelligence, and by the virtue of your X-ray, a person can be called that if he or she is COVID positive, because RT-PCR it take more than 1 day, and if you talk about the X-ray, it just come, the report of the X-ray can come within a 1 day. So that a very nice thing. Okay, then it's a DRDO. Through the technique, there will be no you need to have a CT scan to find the corona result. Okay, with this software based on artificial intelligence, an X-ray image will tell in a few minutes whether a person has the symptoms of corona or not. You heard about the DRDO, formed in 1958. Headquarters is in New Delhi. Head is as Satish Reddy, Satish Reddy. Then developed a Rakshata ambulance for CRPF, successfully tested fire airdrop container. ऐसे Sahakya NG developed Sindhu Netra satellite. Okay, Netra satellite. Okay, which state government has approved the use of the Lermetin medicine to all corona infected over 18 years? It's in Goa. If we talk of the Goa, capital is Panaji, CM is Pramod Sawan, governor is Sunil Arora. Sweet dish Kheji, Khaje, Hermal chilies. These are the GI tags: Hermal chilies, Myra and bananas. Okay, Moira bananas. Next, recently which bank launched the chatbot EVA, that is HDFC? Through the EVA, rural level entrepreneur will learn about HDFC Bank's produce and services. This services will be available for 24 hours. Though the EVA program business correspondent will help rural citizens that take home loans, car loans, tractor loans, etc. Which when is International Nursing Day celebrated? It's the 12th of May. Nursing a wise to lead a vision for nature, future healthcare. The birthday anniversary of Florida Nightingale is celebrated as International Nursing Day. The day is celebrated to make the contribution made by nurses to the society. She was an English social reformer and also the founder of modern nursing. She trained and managed nursing during the Crimean War. She was called the Lady with the Lamp. Who is the author of the book Buddha the Gandhra? Okay, it's a Sunita Dwivedi. Sunita Dwivedi, who wrote the book called Life in the Clock Tower Valley. It's Shakur Rathar, who has been chosen by the ICC as the best male cricketer for the month of 2021. That is Babar Azam. He is the Pakistani captain. January, men's Rishabh Pant, women's Shabana Ismail, South Africa. Okay, then with this thing, I just want to conclude the topic, and thank you for being with me.